Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Little Claws. My name's Lisa Graves and today I'm going to show you how to turn Valentine's Day nails into Anti-Valentine's Day nails. Okay, so I'm going to be working on top of this set that I've previously done. The video tutorial for these should be on your screen right about now. I've removed the crystals and buffed off the top coat for these nails. So I'm going to be turning these into some anti-Valentine nails. So I'm going to be using Serious Black for these. So I'm just going to pop all of that on the back of my nail. So on this nail, we are so anti-Valentine, we don't want these love hearts. So I'm just gonna cross these out. This brush that I'm using is the 0002. Okay, that can go in for a cure. And then same again on this nail, just over a couple of these lips and some of the hearts that are in here. Again, I'm just gonna do some X's because not everybody likes Valentine's Day. And that can go in for a flash cure. Okay, on this finger, I'm going to be doing some black drips coming down the nail. So I'm just going to come in around my cuticle first. Just adding that black, like so. Then I'm going to load my brush up, blob on the end, and I'm going to bring that up the nail like that. Couple of other small ones and then one down the nail like this. Just make it all very blobby. Make sure that these drips aren't too thick, otherwise they might bubble in the lamp. When you're happy with that, that can go in for a full cure. Okay, on the thumb, I'm going to do some black drips over this love heart. So I'm just going to cover the top of this love heart in black. And then do some little drips coming down. So when you're happy with those drips, that can go in for a full cure. And then on top of this love nail, I'm going to do a big black circle. I'm using my dotting tool for this. So I'm just going to come round in a circle. Don't worry about it being perfect, like that. And then using my detailer brush, I'm going to come across it like so. Like that. And when you're happy, that can go in for a full cure. Okay, so using the Urban Graffiti top coat, I'm going to seal all this black detail in. So it's a nice quick change from Valentine's Day nails to Anti-Valentine's Day nails. Just in case, you know, your client might be sat with you and the boyfriend might break up with you halfway through your appointment, you never know. They might walk in wanting Valentine's Day nails and walk out wanting Anti-Valentine's Day nails. And in for a full cure. Okay, and then I'm going to buff this top coat just to create a nice matte finish. Alternatively, you can use the Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte top coat. I'm just going to wipe over these nails with the gel residue wipe off solution just to get rid of any of those last little bits of dust. And using the pink pineapple cuticle oil. Careful not to get the cuticle oil on the nails because it will make them shiny again. Cool. So here are the finished nails. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and all the links to the products used will be in the description box below. Thanks!